Welcome to Auto Story. Join us as we take a ride down memory lane.
Passport trucks for 58. Trucks with the broad-shouldered look.
Here they are, new Chevrolet Task Force trucks for 58. Trucks with a broad-shouldered look. Look at Chevy's great new light-duty Apaches. Brand new Chevrolet-built step van models. Husky new Chevrolet medium-duty Vikings with GVW ratings all the way up to 21,000 pounds. Burly, funny, heavy-duty Chevrolet Spartans, both conventional and low-cab forward models. In 58, Chevy introduces a revolutionary new heavy-duty truck engine. The 348 cubic inch Workmaster V8. Look, combustion takes place within the block. The head is machine flat. Gives greater engine efficiency.
Passport trucks for 58. Trucks with the broad-shouldered look.
See the great new Chevrolet Task Force trucks now at your authorized Chevrolet dealers.
Please like and subscribe. Cheers.